What's up, guys? This is Joseph with JB's DIY Garage. I am just going to show you guys how to extend the temperature probe on your YoLink temperature probe. I needed to be able to get this down into 5 or 6 foot of water, and this only comes with 3 foot of length for the probe, so that's what I'm doing. So all you got to do, grab some of this low temp solder waterproof connectors. This is the brand that I got. Seems to work well. I did another video on this, testing them, and they work pretty well. They actually surprised me. And all you really need to do is just cut the wires, splice them, wrap them together, throw that over it, and then heat it up with a heat gun, and they will melt and solder. It's not going to be the best joint, but to be honest, for this, you don't really need a super good joint. So either way, that's what I did. I just split it in here. You don't actually need to take this whole board out and desolder anything. I just did it here, and then these are waterproof, so they should be good. I'll probably add some more sheathing and some silicone, or some heat shrink and some silicone onto it just to further waterproof it, but it should be fine how it is. In case you wanted to see how this pulled apart, this is it. Just has a little rubber band gasket. That's that yellow thing there, and that goes on like that. And then there's 4 little pads, those guys that just go in there. You pop those out and take the screws out. Shouldn't need to do that, like I said, but this does work. Once you're done with that, you'll want to calibrate it using crushed ice in water. Fill it to where it doesn't float. Just fill it with enough water to where it doesn't float. Let it sit for about 5 minutes, and then use this probe along with another 1 or 2 kitchen probes to basically double verify that your calibration is correct. Otherwise, you can change it in the app. You can also test it by boiling water. Depending on your altitude, it should boil around 212 to 215 degrees. But yeah, so that is pretty much it. So if you guys got any questions, let me know in the comments, and I will catch you on the next one.